Hey guys, well there you are. Hey guys, Ezra from EzraSlayton.com, and in today's video I want to show you how you can make money on Clickbank as a beginner.
On the line.
Alright, so I want to help you to make some money on Clickbank, but first I also want to ask you to subscribe to the channel almost every day, pretty much 6 days a week, because I'm a little busy on the 7th. I make videos similar to this one. I'm trying to help you guys make money online, and I also document my own journey in making money online. So subscribe to the channel for more videos like that. And also, if you want to make more money through affiliate marketing, just some extra money on the side, or maybe even replace your income, we got an ebook down below in the description that you should definitely grab, because it's going to help you learn affiliate marketing step by step in a very quick manner, so that you don't have to jump all over the place and go to different websites and different YouTube videos to figure this shit out. I put it all together in a little ebook for you, so grab that. Also, there's nothing else, so what we're gonna do is jump into this Clickbank training straight away, and it's pretty cut and dry and simple, so it shouldn't take too long. Alright, so here we go. The first thing you got to do is decide on a niche that you want to get involved in, right? For today's example, we're doing YouTube marketing, YouTube, creating a YouTube channel, and also just how to make money on YouTube. Okay, so we are going to do a few things. First thing we're going to do is find the product. I suggest that you just find a product on Clickbank, because pretty much anyone can get accepted to Clickbank. Head over to the marketplace, click, type in YouTube, and you can find all of these products here. If you want to, you can sort the gravity to about 30. Say about 30 is pretty good, and then find something there. But unfortunately, as you can see, none of them are converting that well. This one's converting okay. It's got a gravity of 26, which is okay. It's not too bad. I'm actually promoting this kind of lightly on one of my bridge pages, so check it out. It's a pretty good product, I think, anyway. You decide on your product, you click promote, you get your link, you copy your link onto a notepad or something like that. Anywhere you can put it, just keep it for future reference, right? So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a PLR product that we can give away to people to get them into our door, right? Or get them sliding down into your sales funnel, right? And how this works is pretty simple. So let me just shake things up a little bit and bring you over to the whiteboard that I've got here. Just gotta find a marker. Alright guys, so this is the whiteboard here, and basically what you're gonna do to promote your, let me see if I can turn this around for you guys. I don't know, I can't do that mid video, but basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna have your YouTube channel where you're making YouTube videos. So you got your YouTube video, I hope you can see this, and in the description below you're gonna have different links. These links are going to funnel out to a landing page. Okay, the landing page is going to collect their emails, and then you're going to send them emails every day for about a few days. Your landing page, from there they're going to go to a bridge page, or you can send them directly to the offer. It's going to be totally up to you. If you send it to a bridge page, you can do a lot more. Like, you can have more offers on the bridge page. You can have a video where you're talking to them, trying to sell them a little bit more, and then then you're gonna send them to the offer. Okay, so I hope you can see that. That's pretty much the sequence of it. So you're gonna need some way to build the landing page. You're gonna need an autoresponder or email software to send out those emails, and then you're just gonna need your offer, right? So three things. You need your page builder, right? Then you're gonna need the autoresponder, the email, and then you're gonna need an offer. Okay. And you also, the most important thing is gonna be your traffic. Okay. So your traffic can come through YouTube. You can get it on Twitter, which I'll show you a little bit in here in a second. You can get it through solo ads. You can get it through, you know, banner ads. There's a lot of different ways that you can get traffic. Okay. So just hang in there. After this, I'll show you how to do it with Twitter. Okay. So we send them to the landing page, collect the email, send them emails over a few days. After they put their email in, just to wrap up, they go to the bridge page, or you can send them directly to the offer. All right. So that's the process there. Your Clickbank product is going to be your offer, obviously. All right. So I hope that was clear. We're gonna set this back down, have a seat, and then we're gonna move on to the next bit here. Okay. So we've got our offer, we got all that stuff set up, right? This is what our page is gonna look like. This is our landing page. We want to give them something for free so that they can feel more comfortable with you know, joining us or whatever. So the best way to do that is, or not the best way, but one of the ways you could do that is head over to masterresellrights.com. I've got a link to this one down in the description, I think. If I don't, if you want to, you know, support the channel and use it, I've got an affiliate link for this website you can use. So yeah, we chose this PLR product. We can resell it. We can offer it as a bonus. We can give it away. So that's why we choose that one, right? So someone comes over here to the website. Okay, let's talk about that. How do we get people to this website? So once you got all this all set up and you've got your link to this landing page, right, which would be up here, your URL, you want to shorten that link down a bit so you can use bit.ly. You could use Pretty Links. You could use Google Shortener, maybe. I probably wouldn't use Google Shortener because they don't really, well, it should work because it's just a landing page. You're not linking to an offer. Anyway, so you come over to Twitter. In parentheses, you will type in, you know, whatever it is that you want to target. All right. So for today's example, we're doing YouTube. So I want to start a YouTube channel. In parentheses, scroll down here, and you can see a bunch of people who are interested in, you know, doing exactly that, starting a channel, right? So we would, you know, hit reply, and then we would, you know, share our links with them, or say like, hey, if you want to learn how to get started on YouTube and make some extra money on the side, check out this free training that I put together for you. Okay, and then you just reply to them and send them over to this page. They click on this, they enter your email, right? You get another subscriber on your email, which is going to send them emails over the next few days. After that, after they put their email in, then they get redirected either to a bridge page or they get sent directly to the offer. All right, so this is essentially how you are going to, you know, make money on Clickbank if you're a beginner, and it's going to cost some money to, you know, put all this stuff together. You can't do it for free. Well, yeah, I don't think you can do this for free. Maybe you could do it with MailChimp and maybe like a free Wix site or something like that. If you know a free way, let me know. I'd be interested in sharing that also. You know, because a lot of people don't have a ton of money to get started with this stuff. So if you have any questions about this whole process, hope it was clear for you. Again, it's pretty basic. You build your landing page, you send traffic to your landing page, they opt in, and then after they opt in, they get sent to either a bridge page or directly to the offer. Okay, it's that simple. And then you follow up with them with your emails. All right. Gosh, I hope that was clear. I feel like it was a little all over the place. So, you know, send me a message and tell me what you thought about that. Was it clear for you? And if it wasn't, just leave a message down below in the comments and I will try my best to clear it up for you. You know, when you're making these videos every day, you start to get a little bit better with you know, explaining things and so on, but still I've got a little ways to go in that arena, so bear with me and we'll be all right in the future, sure. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Like, comment, subscribe, dislike if you didn't like the video. I understand. But anyway, peace.